Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you three types of air fryer. So if you are looking the air fryer which you can use for frying, baking, grilling and roasting, then this video is for you. It's definitely for you. Okay, so let us come to the number one. Black Decker 4 liter 1.2 kg performance range digital air fryer. So as you can see in the picture, this air fryer is black in color. You can set the temperature over here, you can set the timer over here and the temperature over here, and then you can also change the mode also. Okay, so let us check the other pictures also. See the beautiful and the gorgeous design over here. You can open your air fryer from over here, and as you can see, it is very easy to wash. You can wash it very easily. For your more information, another video is available over here. Okay, so the power supply that the product is going to use is 1500 watt. Its capacity is 4 liter, or you can say that its capacity is 1.2 kg. So if you want a capacity of 1.2 kg or 4 liter, then this one is for you. As I already said in the video that this air fryer can be used for frying, baking, grilling and roasting. So here is the deal. The temperature control, the temperature that you can set is between 80 degrees Celsius to 2000 degrees Celsius, and it is very easy to wash. It also comes with the 2 years of warranty. So if you are looking for a air fryer whose capacity should be for 1.2 kg or 4 liter, then this one is for you. And the price is very reasonable. As you can see, it is 307.72, and its rating is very good. As you can see, 3.5 ratings and 37 answered questions, so you can definitely trust it. So let us come to the number two. Number two is the NutriCook air fryer, having 1500 watts digital control panel, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's check out the details. Here you can also check set the temperature and timing. Okay, the temperature over here is in Fahrenheit as well as Celsius. The previous one has temperature only in Celsius, but it has temperature in Fahrenheit as well as Celsius. And for the timer you can check over here. As you can see in the picture that there are different stuff. Like if you want to cook a pizza or pizza, then you can press the icon pizza. If you want to cook a burger, then you can press burger. If you want to cook chicken rolls, then you can press chicken rolls, and so on. Let's take a look at other pictures also. Okay, you can see the inside view here. Okay, it will be also very easy to wash. And now let us check the capacity. It comes with the two capacities, that is 3.6 liters and 5.5 liters. So if you are looking for 3.6 liter or 5.5 liter, you can check over here. Stainless steel. The material is stainless steel. It comes in the two colors, that is here is black and here is stainless steel color. Okay. Sleek design, as you can see in the picture, that the design is very sleeky, very compact and beautiful design. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to get the air fryer whose capacity is for 3.6 liter or 5.5 liter, then this one is for you, and it also comes with the 2 years of warranty. Now friends, at last we are going to check out the third one, which is Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer. Okay, check out the picture over here. As you can see, the design is very beautiful, very gorgeous, and let us look at the other pictures as well. See, yeah, it also has a rack which you can insert in it, and as you can see in the panel, you can set the time over here, the temperature over here, the crisp over here, air fry option, air roast option, air broil option, dehydrate, reheat, bake, and from here you can start or stop. and on off button. Okay, what are the other functions? Let us check. Okay, so let's see that it can cook your food for 75% less fat. Okay, so if you want to looking for an air fryer which can cook food for 75% less fat, then this one is for you. And the company is Ninja 450 degrees of superheat, 30% faster. Okay, it is faster than the previous one, and it can provide you crisp more. Its function are mostly max crisp, air fry, roast, boil, bake, reheat, dehydrate. So it has a lot of other function as well. Its price is 942.37 AED, and its rating is really high. So whenever you buy anything from Amazon, just check out the rating. If the rating is good, then the product will be good. And the rating of previous ones were let's see, 272 ratings, and for the Black Decker I think it was 272 or something like that. So the rating of this one is very high. So if you want to purchase it or any of the three, then the link is given in the description. You can check out from there. And I hope you like the video. For more videos